I'm Doug Bennett, started 28 years ago. Been plumbing for 36, long enough, know the business well. But we can help anybody with their plumbing needs. A good example when I work with Coburn's crew is the small sliders. We give them the plans, they look at it, they give me prices on the things that I need. The footage of pipes, everything that we need. And when we go to the sites, they deliver it there. It's on site for us every time. It's great, works out great.
In every major city in Louisiana, we have a Coburn's. So anytime I have a contractor that goes out of town, it's very simple to supply material. Your account works at those branches, the pricing is the same. You still call it into us, we just put it and we'll call or schedule the delivery from that local branch.
We're going to a school for out of properties that I work for, a contractor, and this school's a charter school. As we're getting ready for this trim out, which is important for the school, and Coburn's is going to be a big part of that because of all the fixtures that are involved, which there's a lot of toilets and sinks and things that we have to get on order. Having the material sent to the job saves time. You guys get on the job, they're working. By the time we lay out the job, Coburn's is pulling up. But a lot of times they have it delivered there. It's on site when we get there, and it really helps out a lot. The thing about Coburn's, they cater to plumbing and heat and air people. So that, they're gonna look at your needs. They know what you need and how you're gonna act. We'll forget things. It happens all the time. Oh man, we forgot this. My guys tell me all the time. And I'm like, just call Coburn's up. I gotta admit, they do help us in that way.